평범하고 성실한 건축업자 웨이드 포터. 그는 가족을 너무나 사랑하는 가정적인 사람입니다.
We got the business loan.
Kidding? Oh, baby, that's so great.
Do another 30 grand this year.
So proud of you, baby.
그런데 그날 밤 집에 누군가 침입하고
We gotta get Mikey quiet. Shh. Stay in this room.
Wade!
Stop! Back off! I said stop!
그러나 괴한은 사망하고 결국 웨이드는 살인 혐의로 체포됩니다. 영화 펠론 시작합니다. 난생 처음 구치소에 수감된 웨이드. 낯선 환경에 주변을 둘러보는데 그만 시비가 붙습니다.
Baby, what happened to your face?
I got jumped.
Tell somebody.
It won't help, Laura. Are you okay? How's Mikey?
He keeps asking for you. Wait, I didn't know what to tell him.
Everything's gonna be okay. I promise you.
한편 샌 퀸틴 주립교도소에서 폭동이 일어나고
Smith say why they were rioting? John, there's always a reason. Sure know how to stir up a pile of shit, don't you, boy?
Always one for live entertainment.
They want to stick you in the hole forever.
My Maria would have been 27 years.
Is that what this is all about?
I am the past.
I'm gonna get them to transfer you, give you a fresh start.
On to the next chapter, huh, Gordon?
Just behave yourself, would you?
얼마 뒤 국선 변호사가 찾아오고 검사 측에서 사정을 딱하게 여겨 웨이드가 죄를 인정하고 항소를 포기하면 징역 3년으로 감형해주겠다며 보석금 100만 달러를 낼 수 없으니 죄를 인정하고 얌전히 복역할 경우 절반만 살고 나올 수 있다며 웨이드를 설득합니다. 이에 웨이드는 어쩔 수 없이 죄를 인정하고 징역형을 살게 됩니다.
My name's Jake, they call me Snowman.
Wait,
White dude with a mustache, it's Danny Sampson. Dude's in the brand.
what's the brand?
Syrian Brotherhood, man.
한편 웨이드가 수감되는 교도소에서 근무하는 교도관 잭슨이 아들을 학교에 데려다 줍니다.
Wonder why? The weak are the ones who can't avoid trouble. All right, see you later.
그 시각 호송버스에서는 제이크가 웨이드에게 교도소에서는 무조건 백인 쪽에 붙으라고 조언합니다. 그때 아리안 형제단 데니 샘슨이 숨겨둔 흉기를 꺼냅니다. 그런데 샘슨이 흉기를 제이크에게 넘깁니다. 이후 교도소에 도착하는데 이번에는 제이크가 웨이드에게 흉기를 넘깁니다.
What are you doing? Hey, down! Stay down! Send him to the umbrella. Let's go off the bus. Let's go. Hurry up.
이후 웨이드는 조사를 받기 위해 격리됩니다.
What can I do? One phone call! Please, God, please.
You look at me in my eyes when I talk to you, and you're out of it.
I don't know. I found the weapon under my seat.
We know it was Danny Sampson, just admit it.
Let me tell you about that piece of covering for. Look what he did to one of his own race. Is that who you look in the back?
He's in critical condition. If he dies, you're going down for accessory to murder.
He was to soldier up with his new homies. Congratulations, Porter. You're on your way to the shoe.
Let's go. Open A section!
Look how lucky you are.
Get against the wall.
Close 13.
Now uncuff your first hand. I want you to grip the top of the food board. You understand? Step aside. You're here 23/7. Get an hour yard time a day. Welcome to the shoe.
Adapted well, led by example.
Rangers, huh?
Did most of my tour in Korea and the DMZ. NK look at us, we look at them.
You see more than that working in the shoe.
Give me a minute with the warden. I'll introduce you around.
Colin.
Hear the transfer from John Smith here.
Day after tomorrow.
It's because they're wrecking every house he's been in. We better off isolate.
That's what the shoe's for.
Yes, sir.
Order, yard time.
분리수감 시설의 운동 시간은 죄수들 간의 서열 싸움이 주를 이뤘고 교도관들은 이들의 싸움을 방관하고 돈 내기까지 합니다.
I got 10 on Gonzalez. Little something we do to keep it interesting. That's supposed to fight anyway.
I'm no fuego.
싸움이 끝났지만 고무탄을 발사하는 교도관들. 교도소 안에서는 잭슨이 곧 법이었고 그는 자신의 마음에 들지 않는 죄수들에게 본보기를 일삼았죠.
Criminality. Let everybody see it.
Still the reigning champ.
Everybody see this?
얼마 뒤 웨이드의 아내 로라가 면회를 오고
They wouldn't let me see you or talk to you for 3 months.
Just got caught up in something.
Something? Why, Wade? What did you do?
I can't explain it to you. You're just gonna have to trust me. How's Mikey?
He's fine. Wade, we're out of money.
I thought we were 9 months ahead.
I didn't get all our deposits back.
Just use the new checks from the SBA loan.
No, babe, that's your business.
I can't think about that right now.
그날 오후 17명을 살해하고 종신형을 받은 존 스미스가 이송됩니다.
That's right, Wood. I know who you are, homie. You know what I mean? Back 13.
Letters from John Henry's. The condition today lies in our ability to face those things, comprehend human altruism, blah, blah. You took out what, 16, 17 people, right? Expecting people to what, get something out of it? Found this in your property. I'm gonna hang on to this for you. Close 13.
I like this bunk. There you go.
다음날 운동 시간, 존이 남부파에게 당당히 걸어갑니다.
Anything you need, bro.
그때 제이크가 들어오고
Jungle, huh? Hugh's no joke, is it? Samson says you're solid.
So why'd that guy get stabbed on the bus?
How's a drug debt, man?
Like you said, keep handling business and do as you're told and we'll get down.
그날 밤 존이 웨이드에게 갱단은 조심하라고 충고하고 교도소 내부의 파벌들을 알려줍니다.
It ain't white. It ain't right. It's about race. Hispanics are cut in half. Northerners and the Southerners are always at war. Blacks, you get a whole mixture of gangs with the Asians and the Pacific Islanders. Nearly all the whites follow the Aryan Brotherhood. Tell you to do something and you don't handle business. I handle you.
You see that predator looking at? Crack it off, homie.
You're what?
No. We're going for a minute. Come on.
Let me stop it now, Lieutenant?
Turn in the leg with the Mini 14.
He's losing in the
She turned in the leg with the Mini 14. He jumped a female officer on the main line.
I'll get him good with this one, sir.
That is the enemy down there, officer. Call in the medical staff. I'll do the report.
Making bones, Wood.
Why'd they shoot that guy with a rifle?
Once you leave that courtroom, society's rules no longer apply. Make no mistake, we're all in prison.
There's Daddy.
Hey, guys.
What was that?
You can't survive in here on your own. How we making out with the bills?
Business loan is gone. Well, you know my temp job doesn't even begin to cover our overhead. Tell you the truth, I don't know what to do.
Sell the house. Sell my truck. Sell whatever you can. We'll save up. We'll get another house. Laura.
So what? They protect you.
You just let me worry about that.
Shoot him right in the chest. Get their attention.
Lay down, Wood.
살아남기 위해 싸움을 멈추지 않는 웨이드. 그러던 어느 날 웨이드가 제이크에게 더 이상 싸우지 않겠다고 선언합니다.
You think you're calling the shots now? Is that it?
I ain't seen you fight once since I've been here.
Hit him with a CN gas.
그때 존이 웨이드를 도와줍니다.
I'll put you down.
Better have eyes in the back of your f***ing head.
I warned you, Fish. They're gonna greenlight us both. I should kick your myself. It wouldn't be hard right now. Thanks, John. I know how I survived. I'm about to get a crash course, my friend.
어느 날 신입 제임스가 마트에서 잭슨을 만납니다.
And this is Lieutenant Jackson.
Bill.
Nice to meet you, Bill.
You guys know if it's a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
You guys are gonna make great parents, I can tell. You know, let me know if there's anything I can do to help. You are part of the family.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
See Mara James?
He seems like a really nice guy.
Turn around. Keep your head up out there today.
What do you care? Give you something else to shoot at.
그런데 그날은 샘슨이 웨이드를 부릅니다.
Should have known after all the shit we did for you.
We?
I saw how you pierced the shank on the bus.
오히려 제이크를 손봐주는 샘슨.
Weapon in the toilet, Sarge. I saw it.
No wood will touch you. Wait, what about Samson?
When I get something on him, it will be something that'll stick.
Why does he hate that guy so much?
Samson gassed him on the main line 5 years ago. We all got our Danny Samsons in here.
What do these ones represent? Ann's birthday, anniversary, and Maria's birthday, day they were taken from you. And that empty box, what's that one? This is day we're reunited. You think Samson will keep his word? You're an island now, in a sea of sharks.
Come on, Mike. Finish it off good. Let's go.
Come on,
Yeah!
You know, I was thinking maybe we should cool it for a while.
That bureaucratic bullshit does not work. You know this.
I just don't want us to lose everything we worked so hard for, Bill.
Nobody gonna burst that bubble, baby. Nobody. Trust me, right?
어느 날 악몽을 꾸다가 잠에서 깬 웨이드가 존에게 살인을 한 이유를 묻습니다.
Can I ask you something? Why didn't you just kill the two guys? Why the others?
You don't have to tell me.
You have to know things about him. Come home, see your wife and kid. Try to imagine the unimaginable. Then I came home and saw them lying there, exposed, covered in blood. I wanted those two punks to experience. I killed every member of their families. I wanted the death penalty, but I didn't get it.
얼마 뒤 교도관들이 한 죄수를 시켜서 웨이드에게 싸움을 거는데 웨이드가 싸움을 거부합니다.
Not fighting you, man.
Called me up here for this?
Clear the room.
이후 잭슨은 웨이드에게 본보기를 보여준다며 무서운 계획을 세웁니다. 우선 제이크를 불러서 샘슨이 버스에서 흉기를 휘두른 것이 맞는지 실토하게 하고 이후 웨이드를 결박하고 그를 협박하기 시작합니다.
That I know about. Average life expectancy of only 55 years. I don't succumb to pressure.
Please, please!
Be begging you. Tell me. And Samson stuck on the bus. He died. And an eyewitness, which I now have, with you as an accessory.
I thought he was gonna kill me.
You and me gonna spend a lot more time together.
Lieutenant, I only have 4 more months left.
결국 웨이드는 잭슨의 거짓 증언과 서류 조작으로 인해 샘슨과 공범으로 인정되어 6년형이 더 추가됩니다.
No, I do not have to face reality, Mom.
Some people go off the deep end.
What do you want me to do, Mama?
He has deserted you. You are 33 years old. If you wait, you're going to be over 40 before he gets out. You have waited in vain.
I knew it. She left me.
You take him to the hole? For what?
얼마 뒤 고든이 존을 찾아옵니다.
How you holding up in here, John? You need a new pair of glasses? I can get that done.
No. Kind of got used to them being broken.
Haven't seen any of your letters on the website lately.
Whatever debt you think you owe me, you paid that a long time ago. You've been a good friend to me, Gordon. Go enjoy your life and stop wasting it here.
John.
한편 잭슨의 아들이 음주운전 차량에 치여 병원에 입원하게 되고 잭슨은 분노를 참지 못하고 음주운전을 한 남자를 협박하기 시작합니다.
Your airbag saved you. Too bad my son didn't have one.
I didn't mean to hit him.
You better pray. There's not a jail or a prison in this state that you can hide from me. Or better yet, I'll swing by your house and hit your kids.
얼마 뒤 웨이드가 처음 구치소에서 싸웠던 크립이 이송됩니다.
They already gave you the keys to the apartment, right? And hell, there's plenty of space here. She stays here. Thanks.
Why are you putting Daddy's clothes on?
Well, baby.
Is he mad at us?
I think Daddy loves us both very, very much. Why don't you get out your coloring book and you can draw, Grandma?
Mikey?
Order. Got a visitor.
Is everything okay? Is Mikey all right?
But he doesn't want to spend the rest of his life without you. And I don't either.
But I understand if you can.
Well, I will. However long it takes.
연회가 끝나자 웨이드가 존에게 자신의 형량을 낮출 수 있는 방법이 있는지 묻습니다.
Unless he's got something to barter with.
Expose the shit they're pulling.
Get the right people involved. Force them to pay attention. Please, just tell me how.
존과 계획을 세운 웨이드는 잭슨에게 크립과 싸우게 해달라고 요청합니다.
I'm gonna handle this like a soldier so bad you got it. You going all the way, and one of you coming out alive. You hear me?
You got the address I gave you?
Yeah. Why risk it? I told you that we'd wait.
For 7 more years. Just make sure you don't go to anyone in corrections.
Mr. Camrose?
Yeah.
What's going on? Don't do it.
Man, what do you care?
I'm not like them.
Do something about it.
He said that they take him to the yard at 8.
We need to seize those yard tapes before they have a chance to race them.
Whatever happens, does not leave this car. Floyd a bit off more than he could chew.
Okay, I think you got the point. Let's stop.
No.
결국 싸움은 웨이드의 승리로 끝나고 웨이드가 마무리를 짓지 않자 잭슨이 위협 사격을 합니다.
Do it, or the next one does not miss.
그때 모든 죄수들이 웨이드 앞으로 나섭니다.
Don't whack us. Our families, it's not worth it, you know it.
그런데 운동장에서 모든 죄수들을 내보낸 뒤 CCTV 녹화를 중지하고 존과 웨이드를 다시 운동장으로 들여보냅니다.
I'm gonna go to the infirmary. That's what my report will reflect.
Think anybody cares if you make a stink?
결국 잭슨은 이들을 살해하기로 마음먹었고 잭슨이 웨이드를 살해하려고 하자 존이 숨겨둔 흉기를 이용해서 잭슨을 공격합니다. 그러나 존이 총에 맞고
This is my family now.
Guess what, Diaz? The car just crashed.
I'm Agent Scaletti with the FBI. You need to tell me what that emergency is.
I have one dead lieutenant, one inmate. Lieutenant Bill Jackson. John Smith.
Collins, you weren't with them.
They'll run me out of here quicker than Newport. There won't be a prison in the system that'll touch me.
I was in the infirmary just like my report says.
And let me make this clear. Wade Porter is now a federal witness, and
How did you know this was going to happen before the fact?
You know what amazes me, Frank, is that you didn't know.
Wade's been put into protective custody. Nothing will happen to him in there. It means he'll get out the minute his original sentence is up.
Oh my God.
This was left in your cell.
Thanks. Gordon Cameron.
Thank you so much for getting involved.
Yeah, sure. I guarded John for 20 years. He saved me from a sticking. It wasn't the only reason I watched out for him. I tried to explain that to him. He's one of my true friends.
Mine too. John went out the way he wanted. They never broke him.
The least I can do is give you some John Smith originals. Prison desensitizes you, but it also forces you to see what's most important. So don't run from who you've become, felon. That's my final piece of advice, Wade Porter. If I had to, I'd wipe out the whole planet to get my back. So long, friend.
영화 펠로는 스니치, 엔젤 헤즈폴른의 릭 로만 워 감독이 각본과 감독을 맡은 2008년 작품입니다. 사실적인 각본을 위해 감독이 2년 가까이 철저한 조사를 토대로 각본을 만들었으며 실제 수감자들을 대상으로 한 시사회에서 너무나 사실적이라는 평가를 받았습니다. 평범하고 성실하게 살아가던 주인공이 어느 날 집에 침입한 도둑을 실수로 죽이게 되는 바람에 교도소에 수감되면서 벌어지는 이야기를 담은 영화로 누구라도 한순간의 실수로 인해 겪게 될 수도 있는 일이라는 설정이 몰입감을 높여주며 영화가 끝날 때까지 긴장감을 늦추지 않게 합니다. 가족에 대한 사랑의 힘으로 모든 역경을 이겨내는 주인공의 고군분투가 깊은 감동을 주는 작품으로 본편을 꼭 감상하시길 강력히 추천합니다. 구독과 좋아요 부탁드립니다. 믿고 보는 부두킹의 추천 영화 앞으로도 계속됩니다.